Ponvidyashram group of schools is run by Ponnamal Educational Trust, pioneered in the field of education for more than 2 decades. The school is affiliated by the CBSE New Delhi, aims to impart quality education through a comprehensive and structured curriculum. We focus on all-round development of the child and infuse values and tradition. Ponvidyashram Kolapakam was started in the year 2008 and flourished under the guidance of our chairman, Mr. M.K. Rajagopalan. Our branch has successfully completed its 11 years and entering into its 12th year. We welcome you all to our annual day, Viriksha 2020. Excellence is not an act, it's an habit. We are proud to say CBSE has upgraded our Ponvidyashram as Ponvidyashram Senior Secondary School. With pride, let me take a moment now to reflect back and celebrate the school academic year 2019-20. Achieving academic excellence is the heart of our academic endeavors. I am happy to share the commendable performance of our 10th standard students. Sarika secured first place by scoring 477 out of 500. Sweta secured the second place by 474 out of 500. And third place was shared by 3 students. Ms. Arunashri, Master Surya Prakash, Master Girish Kumar by securing 472 out of 500. The academic powers proved again with a 100% success in the class 10th examination. Out of 63 students appeared, 43 students came up with distinction and 62 out of 63 bagged first class. Ms. Arunashri of class 10 added yet another golden feather to our cap by securing centum in social science. Let's have a quick glimpse of the subject toppers and student toppers who scored above 400. Games and sport is the very fabric of a student's life. It holds them together, builds character, and promotes teamwork. Here we present students who took extra miles in various fields. It's a matter of great pride for us to announce the sports achievers. We take extreme pride as our students have won state, interstate, and district level in cricket. Here we have students who won national and state level ranking in karate and kumite. We have students adding laurels to our school by winning in various competitions like chess, yoga, and skating. Our students' performance in various national and international Olympiads has always been exemplary. In International Mathematics Olympiad, 6 students have won gold medals. In IGKO, 6 students have won gold medal. And in International English Olympiad, 9 students bagged gold medals. Students from grade 3 to 10 participated in spell bee competition and secured medals in state level and national level. Teachers are also learners. Staying updated is the key to success in any field, especially in education. Our teachers constantly strive to stay updated by attending workshops and various training programs. In-house training is given to teachers through various workshops and seminars. We offer teachers with n number of orientation programs to equip themselves before the onset of the academic year. Our journey of the year starts with Akshar Bhyasam, where pre-KG children are guided to write the first letter. A special puja was conducted on 27th June 2019. Parents took part along with their children, in which the child was given the initiation of formal education. The much-awaited event of the year, the investiture ceremony, was held on 15th August 2019. The newly elected members were adorned with badges and sashes. It instilled leadership qualities in students and opened a plethora of opportunities to experience the administrative powers. Our school office bearers were officially sworn in an impressive way. The school cabinet was led by the head boy and the head girl. An oath of dignity and honor was taken by the newly selected prefects. Lavan Kumar of class 11 was elected as the head boy and Sarika as a head girl. Our school celebrates festival and some important days to make the students learn about our cultures, heritage, and to make children aware of the pressing issues concerning the environment and the world. Special assembly was conducted for the Earth Day, World Environment Day, Mathematics Day, and so on. Patricia Neal rightly said, "A master can tell you what he expects of you. A teacher awakens your own expectations." Teachers' Day celebration was organized by class 11 students in a grand manner. They honored the teachers with a sash and a crown. The school management facilitated the teachers on this great occasion. I take pride to announce that two of our teachers, Mrs. Balamani and Mrs. Shivashankari, have received the Best Teacher Award for the academic year 2019 and 20. Krishna Jayanti was celebrated with bhajans sung by choir group. Cultural event was given by KG department. Significance of celebrating Krishna Jayanti was highlighted to students. Ganesh Chaturthi. The celebration of it went hand in hand with real sanctity in the school premises. It was celebrated in a grand manner where students dressed as gods and shared the significance of the festivals through culturals. Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam was chanted by the students and teachers for the upliftment of mankind. Children's Day, a day of innocence and playfulness, was celebrated on November 14, 2019. Teachers performed various programs for students to commemorate the birthday of the man who loved children the most. Sports Day celebration was held on November 9. Chief guest Mr. A. Sivaraman, international volleyball player, and Ms. Subaja, Paralympic national basketball player, visited our school as chief guests. Many drills were performed by our students. Athletic events were conducted and winners were awarded. Christmas was celebrated on 18th of December with great zeal. The entire school vibrated with echoes of Xmas carol sung by the school choir. Classes were decorated by students welcoming the season. Our school children celebrated Diwali in our school campus by bursting crackers and distributing sweets. KG Color Week was celebrated in the month of November. Students dressed in red, white, green, blue and yellow to reveal the significance of colors with great enthusiasm. Various other activities was also conducted in the KG department. Fruits and Vegetable Day, show and tell, fancy dress, slogan recitation and public speaking to enhance the teaching and learning process of the tiny tots. Kolu enthralled the audience. Parents and children exhibited their individual talents during Navaratri's festival. Pongal was celebrated in a colorful manner. Pongal was prepared in a traditional way and Pongal games were conducted. Hindi Divas was celebrated for the entire week as Hindi Saptah. Each program conveyed a very important and essential message, depicted through the 9 rasas. A mobile exhibition on robotics and mechatronics was organized by Agni College of Engineering in our campus on 6th December 2019. It was a great learning experience for the students. Various tours and field trips were organized. Students were taken to a movie, Lion King. Secondary and senior secondary students were taken to Farm Guru, where they experienced the life of farmers through experiential learning. Kids are basically artists. Our children participated in a number of drawing and painting competition conducted in connection with Akhil Bharatiya Nagrik Vikas Kendra and won various prizes. 977 students participated in All India Colouring and Handwriting competition, along with poster making competition on global warming conducted by Snow Kingdom and The Hindu. Apart from this, 118 students participated in National Scientist Search Examination conducted by Seophil Academy and qualified for second rounds. Our students participated in Tamil recitation and drawing competition conducted by Sri Ramakrishna Mission and won a cash prize of Rs 6,000. In the month of August, dental camp and TD vaccination camp was organized in the school premises. The students were examined and the importance of hygiene as a vital parameter to avoid ailments was stressed upon by the medical team. Apart from academics, we trained students in extracurricular activities like keyboard, drums, classical dance, vocal, handwriting, volleyball, basketball, athlete, and so on. Radayatra of Swami Vivekananda was brought into our campus to give insight to our students about the ethics and values followed by this great man. Education does not simply mean the ability to read and write. Exhibitions, seminars, projects, presentation are the medium of wholesome development of the students in schools. We organize science exhibition and seminars to enhance the students' knowledge and making learning a fun experience. Doctor's Day was celebrated on 1st July. Our students also experienced Zero Shadow Day. Students showed their concern towards environment by joining the procession of Kaveri Calling. Parent-teachers meeting are held on the result day of every examination to discuss about the improvements made by the child. Parents will indeed update and show their concern to teachers. Peer learning sessions were conducted wherein our secondary and senior secondary students share their valuable knowledge and experience with their juniors. Few changes have taken place in the school, and I personally thank the management for providing the infrastructure and for their constant support and encouragement. One such is the renovation of the labs. Significant renovation took place in the interior and new purpose-built furniture was applied. The computer lab were redesigned with bright, colorful decor and comfortable seating. It was inaugurated with great fervor by our director and few parents of class 11. I avail this opportunity to thank our beloved chairman and director for their trust in our hard work and self-reliance, which has boosted our efforts to make our school one of the best schools in Chennai. I would like to conclude by extending our sincere thanks to all parents and our well-wishers who have lent a supportive hand down through the year in all our endeavors. I end my report with these famous lines by John Dewey. Arriving at one goal is the starting point to another. There are miles to go. Pon Vidyashram Kolapakam will definitely leave its footprints on the sands of time for others to emulate. I hope you enjoy the cultural program presented by our students, and your evening with us is a pleasurable one. Signing off, Mrs. Catherine, Principal.